which means to shake or to vibrate. The dance is performed by couples who mirror each other's movement and come together in an open arm position. The dance showcases the skills and creativity of the dancers who wear colorful costumes and accessories. The dance also features intricate patterns and formations such as circles, lines, and crosses. The Kriw-Kriw dance is a reflection of the culture and history of Ibahay. The dance also symbolizes the resilience and unity of Ibahaynoons who face the challenges of nature with courage and optimism. The Kriw-Kriw dance is a unique and vibrant expression of the Filipino culture and identity. It is a dance that celebrates the beauty and diversity of the Philippine folk arts. It is a dance that preserves and promotes the rich heritage and traditions of the Ibahaynoons.
1 minute dayton. Music lang.